അനേവർക്കും ഇനിയ കാലൈ വണക്കം. എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. A warm and heartfelt welcome to each one of you gathered here today for this very special occasion, the Mega Alumni Meet of Bharat Mata Higher Secondary School. As we come together in this grand celebration, let us take a moment to look back and reflect on the rich history of the prestigious institution that has played a significant role in shaping countless lives over the decades. Bharat Mata Higher Secondary School, established in the year 1949, began as a humble endeavor to provide quality education to young minds. Over the years, it has blossomed into an institution of excellence, fostering not just academic brilliance, but also moral values, discipline, and social responsibility. Today's Mega Alumni Meet is not just an event. It is a celebration of memories, achievements, and lifelong connections. It is a homecoming for all the former students and teachers, a time to relive the cherished moments, rekindle all bonds, and celebrate the shared pride of belonging to this illustrious alma mater. It is also a platform to honor the contributions of our distinguished alumni and former staff who have left an indelible mark in their respective fields, carrying forward the values imbibed within these walls. I extend my warmest welcome to all the former students who have traveled from near and far to be part of this joyous occasion. Your presence today is a testament to the deep love and respect you hold for your alma mater. I also take this opportunity to welcome all the former teachers and staff who have been the backbone of this institution. Without your dedication, hard work, and sacrifices, this legacy of excellence would not have been possible. As we gather to celebrate 75 years of excellence and togetherness, let us embrace the spirit of this Mega Alumni Meet to relive, to reconnect, and to rejuvenate. Let us honor the past, celebrate the present, and look forward to even brighter future for Bharat Mata High Secondary School. Ladies and gentlemen, let us together make this day an unforgettable one as we celebrate the legacy of Bharat Mata High Secondary School and the unbreakable bond that ties all to this great institution. Once again, welcome to the Mega Alumni Meet and the Platinum Jubilee celebration. ജീവിതത്തിൽ ഏതൊരു വ്യക്തിയുടെയും വളർച്ചയുടെ കാലചക്രത്തിലെ സുവർണ ലിപികളാൽ എഴുതപ്പെടുന്ന ഒരു ഭൂതകാലം അതത്രേ വിദ്യാലയം. ഓർമ്മകളുടെ തിരുമുറ്റത്ത് എന്നും നമുക്ക് ഓർത്തിരിക്കാൻ ഒരു ഒത്തുചേരൽ കൂടി. ഒത്തിരി ഇണക്കങ്ങളും ഇത്തിരി പിണക്കങ്ങളും അസ്തമിക്കാത്ത സൗഹൃദങ്ങളും ജീവിതത്തിൽ ചാർത്തി തന്ന ഇന്നലകളുടെ ഓർമ്മച്ചെപ്പ് തുറക്കാൻ ഇന്നിവിടെ സമയമായി. ഈ കൂടിവരവ് ഒരു അനിവാര്യതയാണ്. അത് ആത്മവിദ്യാലയത്തിന്റെ ആകൃതിക്കുള്ളിലാകുമ്പോൾ മാധുര്യം ഏറെയാണ്. കാലം നമ്മിൽ നിന്ന് അടർത്തി മാറ്റിയ സൗഹൃദത്തിന്റെ ആ നല്ല നാളുകളുടെ ഒരു മയിൽപ്പീലി തുണ്ട് കണക്കെ ഓർമ്മ പുസ്തകത്തിൽ പിറവി കാത്തിരിക്കുമ്പോൾ ഈ ഒത്തുചേരൽ ഒരു തിരിച്ചുപോക്കാണ്, ഇന്നലകളിലേക്കുള്ള തിരികെ യാത്ര. ഏവർക്കും ഈ മെഗാ അലുമിനി മീറ്റിലേക്ക് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി ഹൃദ്യമായ സ്വാഗതം. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time to invite our esteemed dignitaries to the stage. Individuals whose contributions have greatly shaped the history, growth, and spirit of Bharat Mata High Secondary School. Their dedication and connection to this institution serve as a shining example for us all. Let us begin by welcoming Father George Carlyle, the correspondent of our school. Father George Carlyle is a guiding light whose steadfast leadership has been instrumental in preserving the values and vision of Bharat Mata High Secondary School. His efforts to ensure the holistic growth of the institution are truly commendable. Father, I welcome you to the stage. Next, With immense pride and respect, I invite to the stage our beloved principal, Sri Biju Joseph, a name synonymous with excellence in education and leadership. Sri Biju Joseph is not just an administrator. He is an inspiration, a mentor, and beacon of hope for students and teachers alike. With his visionary leadership and unparalleled commitment to the growth of Bharat Mata High Secondary School, he has transformed this institution into a center of academic brilliance and holistic development. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give a rousing welcome to our incredible principal, Sri E.J. Biju Joseph. We are delighted to welcome Mr. C.G. Matthew, the president of the Alumni Association, whose dynamic leadership has been pivotal in uniting the alumni community and fostering a deep bond between the past and the present. His relentless efforts to ensure the success of alumni initiatives are truly praiseworthy. Mr. C.G. Matthew, I invite you to the stage. It is with great pride that I invite Ms. R. Radha Lakshmi, the senior most alumna of Bharat Mata, who is 80 years young. Her presence here today is a testament to the deep roots and legacy of this institution, reminding us of the generations of students who have walked through these hallowed walls. 80 വയസ്സിലും ചെറുപ്പത്തിന്റെ ഊഷ്മളത ഒട്ടും കൈവിടാതെ പറഞ്ഞു പകുതിയാക്കി പാതി വഴിയിൽ ഉപേക്ഷിച്ച ഏടുകൾ പൂർത്തിയാക്കാൻ ഇവിടെ എത്തിച്ചേർന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഏറ്റവും പ്രായം കൂടിയ പൂർവ്വ വിദ്യാർത്ഥിനി പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട രാധാലക്ഷ്മി അമ്മയെ ഏറെ സ്നേഹത്തോടെ ഈ വേദിയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യുന്നു. I now welcome Father Matthew Arambangudel, Core-Episcopa of the Diocese of Bethany and an alumnus of Bharat Mata High Secondary School. As a spiritual leader and a proud former student, Father Matthew Arambangudel continues to inspire countless individuals with her service and commitment to the community. Father, I welcome you with immense respect. Let us now invite Mr. A.V. Mathai, the Chief Executive Officer and former high secondary school principal, known for his exceptional leadership skills and his unwavering commitment to education. Mr. Mathai sir has contributed immensely to the progress of Bharat Mata High Secondary School. Sir, I invite you with great respect. Please welcome Mr. M.K. Givargis, our retired headmaster, whose dedication, discipline, and ability to mold young minds have left an enduring legacy in the hearts of students and staff alike. So, I welcome. We also invite Ms. Presida, whose commitment and support have added value to the success of this event and our school. Presida teacher, I invite you to the stage. I extend my warm welcome to Dr. Eldo KJ, the program coordinator, assistant professor and research guide at Bengri Mata Government Aided College, Manantawadi. Known for his academic brilliance and leadership in higher education, Dr. Eldo is a source of inspiration for aspiring scholars. Now let us welcome the Alumni Association office bearers who work tirelessly to connect the alumni and organize events like this. Mr. Reggie TG, Vice President, whose efforts have always been instrumental in the success of alumni initiatives. Mr. Reggie TG, I welcome you. Mrs. Anuradha, Vice President, whose dedication to the alumni community is highly commendable. Mr. Mithun Bal, Secretary, an individual known for his meticulous organizational skills and commitment to the association's activities. Mrs. Shiny Tommy and Mr. Matthew T.A., Joint Secretaries, whose teamwork and efforts have been crucial in making this event a grand success. Mr. Peter M.M., Joint Treasurer and Headmaster of the Primary School, who has always been a pillar of support for the school and the Alumni Association. For the felicitation, we are privileged to have Advocate Ganesh Ramanathan, a gifted orator known for his eloquence and thought-provoking words. Advocate Ganesh Ramanathan, I invite you to the stage. We now invite former manager representatives, individuals whose dedicated service and guidance have been instrumental in shaping the institution. Father Lucas Pallipadinyatal, whose commitment and service to education are deeply valued. Father Kurian Puramadathil, a counseling psychologist and director of the Pope John Paul Institute, Kozhikode, whose guidance has transformed many lives. Dr. Unnikrishnan, retired principal of the Government Teacher Training Institute for Women, Coimbatore, a veteran educator whose contributions to the field of education are exemplary. Dr. Anwar Hamzat, professor of orthopedic surgery at Dr. Mupens Medical College, whose accomplishments in the medical field make us proud. Father George Bettikatil, Commission Secretary of the Social Apostolate of the Syro Malankara Catholic Church, who has been a beacon of social service and empowerment. Mr. V.P. Thomas Sir, Treasurer of the Alumni Association and former Headmaster of Bharat Mata High Secondary School. Sir, I invite you with great respect. Ms. Divya Thamodaran, Professor at the Teachers Training College, Kottarakara, a dedicated educator committed to excellence in teaching. Mr. Ali, former PTA President and former student of Bharat Mata High Secondary School. Dr. Unnikrishnan, retired principal of the Government Teachers Training Institute for Women, Coimbatore, a veteran educator whose contributions to the field of education are exemplary. I invite Sister Rubina to the stage. Dear dignitaries, your presence here today is a true blessing and adds immense value to this momentous occasion. We now invite all of you to the stage as we commence the official program. Dr. Anwar Hamzat, Professor of Orthopedic Surgery at Dr. Mupens Medical College, whose accomplishments in the medical field make us proud. Doctor, I invite you to the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome them with a warm round of applause. I kindly request all the dignitaries to limit their speech to 3 minutes, keeping in mind the time restraints, so we can ensure the smooth flow of this wonderful program. Fortunately or unfortunately, being someone who is born and brought up in Kerala, என்னோட தமிழ் வந்து ரொம்ப மோசம். My Tamil is really bad. So, I'll be speaking mostly in English and Malayalam. I hope that's okay. It's okay, right? നമുക്കെന്താ തുടങ്ങാം? നമ്മുടെ പരിപാടി തുടങ്ങാം. Shall we begin? Shall we begin, everybody? ആരംഭിക്കലാമ? Give a round of applause. So let us begin today's auspicious gathering with a prayer to seek the blessings of the Almighty. Presenting the prayer song is Miss Sania Thomas, whose melodious voice will lead us into a moment of devotion and gratitude. Let us all stand for the prayer song.
നിത്യവും നിൻ കൃപാകടാക്ഷങ്ങൾ